Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to talk about Mi Air charging technology. So without further ado, let's get into it. What does charging look like in the future? Imagine walking into a room and your phone automatically begins charging. Today we are bringing this closer to reality, introducing Mi Air charging technology. Using system made up of 144 atoms, this transfer energy to the smartphone in the form of extremely narrow millimeter wide wave beam. Within a few meters, we offer 5 or more charging solution. Taking that a step further, it also supports multi-devices charging, charge on the movie and gaming, or even when something in the way. Looking ahead, smart living goes truly wireless. This isn't science fiction, this is technology. Mi Air charging technology. I hope you guys like the video, share this video, comment down below and do put subscribe my channel. We'll meet in next video. Bye.